Hey, Allie here from Sugar Pusher. I'm back in the Amaretti test kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a s'mores blended coffee using some of Amaretti's premium syrups. The first thing we're going to do is pull a shot of espresso, and then we're going to set it aside and let it cool. Next, we're going to make our toasted marshmallow whipped cream. So we're going to start with one of our whipped cream canisters, and then we've got some Amaretti premium syrup here in toasted marshmallow. We're going to use 4 pumps of this. And then we're going to add in our cream up to the line. Okay, so we're going to pour the cream into the whipped cream canister. We're going to put our top on. Give it a little shake. Give it another shake. Now let's see how it turned out. There you have it. Super easy toasted marshmallow whipped cream. Let's decorate the glass. So we're going to start by getting a glass. We're going to rim it in some marshmallow fluff. I've put this in the microwave for about 10 seconds. We're going to stick our glass right in the top. Roll it around. And then we're going to coat it with some graham cracker crumbs. Shake off any excess, and now you've got a nicely decorated cup. Let's start layering our drink. We're going to start by using some of this toasted marshmallow whipped cream. We're going to place it into the bottom of the glass. Next up, we're going to layer in some of this crema de dark chocolate syrup. Next, we're going to make our blended coffee base. We're going to start by adding 1 cup of ice to the blender cup. Next up, we're going to add a cup of milk or heavy cream or half and half, or non-dairy milk if you choose. Next up, we're going to add in our shot of espresso. Then we're going to add in a couple of pumps of the toasted marshmallow syrup. Then we're going to blend it all together. All right, pour it into your glass. Some more chocolate syrup. And we're done. Enjoy.